What's going on, guys? Gaming Baba here, and today I'm playing some Lucky Block game. It only said there. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, hit the bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and comment when you're done. So let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing... What's going on? First thing is that you can... Wait, as in... Oh, the rainbow ones. Most epic. There must be. Okay, so here we go. Okay, click your block. What did I get? Ooh. Whoa. I'm excited to open those rainbow ones. They look epic. Let's see if we can do some jumping. Jump. Ooh, jump. Ooh. Jump. Oh, dang. No. Well, let's just do it normally. I'm gonna kill some people. And yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I'm not coming in your base. Oh crap. Who got the rainbows? Should I go back to my base? Base. Look. Someone's right there. I'm gonna try to slash him. They're going to my base. Hell no, you're not going to my bloody base. If you go to my base one more time, that's it. You're gonna be slash. See what else? What else? Oh. 30 minutes till I can get the pink ones. 60 minutes until I can get those ones. Wait, so only 400. I think it takes time. Hi. Oh yeah, sorry. Just not like that. Oh man, I got an axe. Jesus, you can slash someone's head off. Wonder where it says. How many minutes? Ouch. Okay, let's see if we can go kill someone. Anyone out? Wait, there's someone coming out. What the heck did I just do? There's someone coming out of their base. Oh. Let's see if you guys hit this person. Wait, no. No, stop. No, dig it, no, Howler, no, I'm sorry. But, guys, comment down below if you have been tasered. I've almost been tasered. Jokes, someone's calling me. I was just joking, I've never almost been tasered. I think tasers are like you can get them in different ways. Like one that you just hold, it's just a normal square, and there's a button on top, and then when you press it, just like yeah. What else? What did I get? Please tell me something cool. What is this? Whoa, this is epic. I'm not lying. This is... No one can get me. Yo. And I will... Ni hao ma. Share. guys didn't know what I said hi, sing hi, and you guys say like in the comments below. Right. And if you don't know, yeah, a Chinese person came to my house, my school. Don't give about your animals. They should die with you. Die. How about you? I called your animals. Wait, no, I'm going to see if I can call the dragon. Ni hao ma shi she. Because I had someone who lives in China come to all the way to come all the way to New Zealand and teach us, dang it, teach us Chinese words. Ni hao ma xie xie. Ni hao ma is thank you. No, not thank you, sorry. Hi. How are you? I think it said. I can't remember. And xie xie means thank you. Yo, this is epic. Like cat hands. Ouch. Guys, has it been 10 minutes for you? Oh, sorry, I saw it now. I see it, I mean. It's at the top. I was like, where do you see it? But then I just saw it at the top. So, I have 4 more minutes left. So I can get this one. I know how to count in Japanese as well. Just count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's Japanese. Japanese! Yo, yo, yo. What is this? Pretty cool sword. How about this? Cramples. Slamples, wamples, shrimp. Shrimp. Shrimp? I don't like shrimp. Guys, it's too early, or too late now, but comment if you had a great Easter. I did. Lovely. Even got to go to a hot air balloon festival. Just hope this video gets views. Like lots. Come on, I need that 10 minutes. I need the 10 minutes. I need the 10 minutes. Play for 10 minutes. Oh, ninja. Forgot what you call these. Damn it, why? How did I forget? Reloading. Why? Ninja stars. That's what they are. Jesus. 2 more minutes to go. Nothing really to do. Think if when my other lucky block right here opens, I think that I can go and I'll go kill some people. Go and kill some suckers. I'm gonna switch up hands. Do you have it? Do you hand it? 1 more minute. Come on. Come on, 1 more minute. When this has gone down, it's been a minute. Oh, what's this? Oh! Pirate's hook. Oi, oi, Captain Hooks. I'm Captain Hooks. Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Then try. Did you try coming in my balloon base? Excuse me? you want to do in here? Oh yes, it's been 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Bam, 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 bam. It's been 10 minutes. Bam, bam, bam. Come on, give me this, give me that. Give me this, give me that, give me each of it. Give me, oh, crowbar. And what's this? Please tell me it's something that I can fly with. I think this is like some sort of cannon. Cannon away! Bam, bam! Bam, 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 bam! Bam, 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 bam! Bam, 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 bam! Bam, 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 bang, 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 sometimes it's really boring. Like just doing nothing at all. Guys, I might wrap up the video soon. I said I will. Yeah. Might not. I'm not so sure. Jesus, I'm on my 6. I got 6. Hey. Ooh, it's an X. I think it's an X that says stop on it. Oh, that's epic. Like when you're walking by, stop, so I can call you. Guys, I might wrap up the video. Yeah, if I see what this is, wrapping up the video. Okay, guys, had a great time playing some Roblox with you. So make sure you did all those things, subscribe and comment, and yeah, all of that. So hope you like it. Bye. Love you. Bye.